Hey folks, let's face it, nobody wants to be stuck with a piece of gear that's going to crap out on them when they need it most, especially if you find yourself in a survival situation. Today we're going to talk about 10 different items that you will never regret purchasing, because they're going to last you damn near forever. These aren't your typical cheap, disposable products. We're talking about rugged, reliable gear that's built to withstand the test of time. They serve a variety of survival and preparedness needs, so let's get to it. First on our list is something that might seem simple but is incredibly versatile and important in a pinch paracord. Now, I'm not talking about just any paracord. I'm talking about the Titan SurvivorCord XT. This ain't your grandpappy's paracord, folks. This stuff is the real deal. This new SurvivalCord XT meets every military specification you can imagine. It's comprised of military-style Type 4 750 paracord with a tensile strength of up to 1,000 pounds. That means you can use it for everything from securing your gear to building a shelter in the wilderness. But it gets even better. The Titan SurvivorCord XT includes 12 ultraviolet and mold-resistant strands, so it'll hold up against the elements. And if that wasn't enough, woven into the cord itself is a 110-pound Kevlar utility line, wax jute tinder for starting fires, and a 25-pound test-braided fishing line. You're basically carrying a survival kit within your paracord. Talk about being prepared for anything. Next up, we've got a classic for a reason: Leatherman Multitools. These things are the epitome of durability and functionality. Seriously, if you're ever stranded on a deserted island, a Leatherman is like having a whole toolbox at your fingertips. Leatherman makes some of the most incredibly durable and useful multi-tools on the market. They've got a tool for every occasion, from cutting wire to opening a can of beans. And the best part? They're built like tanks. I've had my Leatherman for years and it's still going strong. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but your name multi-tools can be bulky and heavy. And you know what? You're right. Some of them can be. But that's why I'm recommending the new Free P4 series. It's lightweight, compact, and features a magnetic lock and single-hand use for all tools, including the pliers. It's the perfect blend of functionality and convenience. Trust me, folks, a Leatherman multi-tool is an investment you'll never regret. All right, let's talk about cooking in the great outdoors. When it comes to survival, a reliable stove can be a lifesaver. And that's where the Firebox Stove comes in. This thing is a beast. It's heavy-duty, built to last, and engineered for high-efficiency burning of natural fuels. We're talking twigs, branches, even dried dung if you're in a real pinch. And the best part? It folds out instantly without the need for any additional linchpins or fiddly bits. No more struggling to put together a complicated stove in the dark. The Firebox Stove is ready to go when you are. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up a ton of space in your pack. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or prepping for an emergency, the Firebox Stove is a reliable and efficient way to cook your food and boil your water. It's an investment that will keep you fed and warm for years to come. Now let's talk about putting food on the table, or in this case, in the pot. When it comes to hunting or just having a reliable means of self-defense, you can't go wrong with a good bow. And the SAS Recon Tactical Bow is in a league of its own. This thing is built for both accuracy and durability. It's a takedown bow, meaning it can be easily assembled and disassembled for transport, making it perfect for backpacking or bugging out. But don't let its portability fool you. This bow is no toy. It achieves speeds of up to 200 feet per second, making it a powerful tool for hunting or self-defense. And because it's made of durable composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum, you know this bow is built to withstand years of use and abuse. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly powerful, making it the perfect choice for any survivalist or outdoorsman. Next up, let's talk about fuel storage. Whether you're bugging out or just dealing with a power outage, having extra fuel on hand can be a lifesaver. But storing fuel safely and reliably can be a challenge. That's where Scepter fuel cans come in. These military-grade fuel cans are the gold standard when it comes to fuel storage. They're made from ruggedized, high-density polyethylene, which is a fancy way of saying they're tough as nails. Seriously, you can drop these things, drag them through the mud, even run them over with your truck, and they'll still hold up. And unlike those old metal jerry cans, Scepter fuel cans won't rust or corrode. Plus, they're safer to use. The special design prevents spills and leaks, and the multiple color options make it easy to identify your fuel types. Trust me, When it comes to fuel storage, Scepter fuel cans are worth every penny. Alright, let's talk about staying warm. Now, you might be thinking, a blanket? Really? But I'm not talking about just any blanket. I'm talking about a good old-fashioned 100% wool blanket. These things are survival essentials for a reason. First off, wool is incredibly durable. A good wool blanket can last you a lifetime if you take care of it. And trust me, you'll want to take care of it because it's that good. Second, wool is naturally fire retardant. That's right, you can toss a wool blanket on a fire and it won't go up in flames like those synthetic fabrics. And finally, wool retains heat even when wet. So if you're caught in a downpour, a wool blanket can help prevent hypothermia. Plus, it can be used as a makeshift shelter, a stretcher, or even a water filter in a pinch. Talk about versatility. Chapter 7. Now let's talk about staying hydrated. When it comes to survival, having a reliable water bottle is non-negotiable. And that's where Nalgene Canteens come in. These single-walled stainless steel canteens are built to last a lifetime. Seriously, they come with a lifetime warranty. But the best part? You can put these bad boys directly on a fire. That's right, you can boil water, make soup, even cook food in a Nalgene canteen. Try doing that with your fancy plastic water bottle. And because they're made of stainless steel, they won't leach any harmful chemicals into your water. So whether you're camping, hiking, or prepping for an emergency, a Nalgene canteen is a must-have piece of gear. Chapter 8. Alice External Frame Pack. Alright, let's talk about carrying all your gear. When it comes to survival, you need a pack that's tough, reliable, and comfortable enough to carry heavy loads. And that's where the classic Alice rucksack comes in. This military-grade pack has been a favorite of soldiers and outdoorsmen for decades, and for good reason. It's built to last. Seriously, you can find Alice packs at military surplus stores that are older than I am and still going strong. The external frame design might seem a little old school, but trust me, it's the best way to haul heavy loads comfortably. Plus, the multiple compartments and straps make it easy to organize your gear and keep everything secure. And because it's so widely used, you can find tons of aftermarket accessories and modifications for the Alice pack. Chapter 9. Silky Nata 240mm Hatchet. Let's talk about chopping wood, clearing brush, and tackling any task that requires a little more force than your knife can handle. The Silky Nata 240mm hatchet is a beast of a tool, and it's built to last a lifetime. This ain't your grandpappy's hatchet, folks. This full-tang Japanese hatchet is made with SK4 high-carbon steel, which means it can take a beating and keep on chopping. The blade is incredibly sharp and holds its edge like a dream, and with its 240mm blade length, it's the perfect size for both small and large tasks. But it's not just about brute force. The Silky Nata is also surprisingly well-balanced and comfortable to use, even for extended periods. It comes with a high-density plastic carrying case to protect the blade and keep it safe when not in use. And if you want to add a touch of personalization, you can even get a custom leather sheath for it. Chapter 10. FiveJoy Survival Shovel. Last but not least, we have the FiveJoy Survival Shovel. Now, you might be thinking, a shovel for survival? But trust me on this one, folks, a good shovel is an incredibly versatile tool, and the FiveJoy Survival Shovel is in a league of its own. This thing is virtually indestructible. It's made with hardened steel and features a 4-stage locking system, so you know it's not going to break on you when you need it most. But it's not just a shovel. The FiveJoy Survival Shovel also includes a variety of multi-tool components, including a saw, axe, hoe, and even a fire starter. That's right, this shovel is basically a whole survival kit in one compact package, and with its anodized aluminum handle, it's both lightweight and comfortable to use. Whether you're digging a fire pit, building a shelter, or just clearing some brush, the FiveJoy Survival Shovel is up to the task. So there you have it, folks, 10 pieces of survival gear that are built to last a lifetime. These 10 items are things you're going to buy once and they'll last you a lifetime. Remember, investing in quality gear is an investment in your safety and preparedness. If you have any suggestions for different pieces of gear built to last, let me know in the comment section below. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on these products and where to buy them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. The best way to support this channel is to support yourself by gearing up through CanadianPreparedness.com. Use discount code SurvivalPrepper for 10% off. Remember, the strong survive and the prepared thrive. See you next time.